Every time you open this app on your iPhone, your screen automatically switches to dark mode, no tapping, no control center. You get out of it and then dark mode is off. It is back again to light. Let me show you how to set this up in a couple of minutes. All right, so this is one of those iPhone automations that once you set it up, you will wonder why Apple didn't enable it by default. Basically, whenever you open a specific app like Instagram, Settings, YouTube, or Safari, your iPhone automatically turns dark mode on. When you leave the app, it switches back off. This is great for your eyes, especially at night. It can help save battery on OLED displays, and it just makes your iPhone feel way smarter. Let me show you how to do that for any app on your iPhone. For this, we need the Shortcuts app. Open the Shortcuts app, then tap on Automation, and then the plus icon on the top right to start a personal automation. Scroll down and tap on App. Now choose the app. I'm going to go for App Store for instance for now, then tap Done. Make sure is opened is enabled. Now tap on Run immediately and then tap on Next. Now here, tap on Create New Shortcut. In the search actions, search for Set Appearance. Once you see it, tap on it. Make sure Turn Appearance to Dark is selected. Now tap Done. Now, this is for making the appearance to dark mode when I open App Store. But now we are going to make it off when I leave the App Store, because if I check it right here, it is still dark mode. Dark mode is still enabled. Now I'm going to make another automation to make it turn dark mode off when I leave App Store. So let's start. So let's go to Shortcuts app again, and then Automation, then tap the plus icon on the top right, and then scroll down again, take the same steps, okay? Choose the app, App Store, done. Make sure is closed is selected and deselect is opened and run immediately, then tap Next. Again, search for Set Appearance. Once you see it, tap on it. Now this time, turn appearance to light, okay? And done. Now let's try it. App Store opened, dark mode enabled. Go out of App Store, dark mode is off. And that's it. So your iPhone now changes dark mode automatically based on the app you're using. Less eye strain, better battery efficiency, and a setup that runs in the background without you thinking about it. If you want more smart iPhone automations like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because your iPhone can do way more than you think. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.